7:48 right now, and in less than an hour, Pope Francis will be at the White House to meet with President Obama in a one-on-one conference. That's where we find our Jeff Goldberg. He is at the White House with more on this, again, historic visit by Pope Francis. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning to you, Larry. Certainly a lot of buzz and excitement here at the White House, and we can see this line of people going inside the White House. That is the Vatican Traveling Press Corps. Just walked through, probably about 100 people, if not more. You can certainly sense the excitement as we are now about an hour away, maybe a little bit more, from the arrival of Pope Francis here at the White House. He's going to be on the South Lawn upon arrival for a ceremony which is going to have a great deal of pomp and circumstance. 15,000 people looking on, cheering on Pope Francis as he makes his first public comments while here in the United States. Then, of course, President Obama will make comments as well. Then the two will have a private meeting inside the Oval Office. Some of the topics expected to be discussed, topics in which the President and the Pope seem to have very similar points of view: income inequality, climate change, poverty, of course, the issue of Cuba. We now know that when President Obama and the Pope met last year in the Vatican, talks about Cuba were starting to get going. We, of course, now know that Pope Francis was a key player in that ongoing process of normalizing relations between Cuba and the United States. We expect that conversation to continue today and quite possibly tomorrow when the Pope makes his address to Congress. Certainly a great deal of excitement. We know people all around the area are getting ready for the Pope's first public arrival and public ceremony here in the United States, set to take place here at the White House in about an hour. Live at the White House, Jeff Goldberg, ABC 7 News.